So today is my off day, but I wanted to try to mix some fun into training how to use CRM. So I created a game that is available for you, obviously. So first of all, you will load your team and your team members will be on the right side. Then when you meet with them on an online meeting or face-to-face, you click on the button, it will select a person and they will have 30 seconds to answer a question. If they get it right, you click on the correct and then you go again and you select someone else. And if this is incorrect, you click on wrong and they're getting a negative point. Eventually, it's becoming a nice game that everybody's excited. Now, if you want to have this game, it's free of charge. You just go to amazingbusinessresults.com on the top, and then you will go to resources, and then you go to Zoho CRM Team Game. So first of all, you will load all the people that are in your company. If you want, you can also type. And if you forgot someone, you can use also this interface and then add them. So let's say your Isaac, and now I'm in. And when you're done, you click on next. 61 questions will be loaded. Those are UI questions and basic automation, not for developers. This is for employees. If they will know that, you will increase productivity probably by 30-40%. Once you're done, if you want, you can add more questions here. And if you're good to go, just click on Start Game. Now, as you saw before, you will have questions. You click here, it will select a person. They need to answer. And if it's correct, correct. If it's wrong, wrong. If you need any help with it, let me know. Obviously, you can take those questions, you can load them into AI while you're doing the game, and it can give you the answers. Don't be a cheater, but it's possible. Anyway, this is my off day, going back to my Corona. Have fun. We'll see you next time.